And we could flex if we wanna, or we could connect to protect each other from the monsters. Baptized in a pot of boiling water, doesn't matter either way, the fever gonna get a whole lot. I ain't seeing half the sleep that I probably should be seeing as a model human being.
This is my shame pile.
Maybe you should focus on some shit that you believe in and keep it moving like there's no room for improvement. My perpetual.
I mean, I truly don't know why the name of Clayscapes is not in the mouth of every big production potter. For this price, for this glaze, fantastic.
I said that I loved them, and you could tell 12 I said nothing. Already.
I am so close to redeveloping Ancient Copper's glaze recipe that I have accidentally made like 4 or 5 of my own reds, trying to chase this one recipe down.
On the front porch, and all your favorite rappers are not Illuminati. We're too stupid.
Yeah, see, because you have never seen me use Ancient Copper in a store upload, I think you think I'm out of Ancient Copper, but I actually have a lot of Ancient Copper left.
Boombox, the world's a costume shop. Why you choose to be a cop? When it rains, it pours, and when it pours, it floods. I'm trying to order one more before you cork the jug. They said we started our initial descent like this. I said a prayer and it went like this.
It's cockroaches.
She got big.
It goes by a name I can't say with my tongue, but for now I keep it simple and I call it the one.
Who's next?
Who is next? That's a good question.